Right guys, Gavin Townsend, the transformation guru. Just going to do a random video in my kitchen, and in here I've got something new and different, and it's something which I'm going to be bringing into the gymbeing store in Redditch. So I've been a PT now for about 16 years, so a bit of a veteran. And I've probably given out in the region of about 10,000 diet plans since 2005, since embarking in the fitness industry. And I've seen all types of people. I've mostly worked with people who want to transform themselves, who want to lose weight, just feel more confident in themselves, better self-esteem, and just be a better version of themselves. But I've also had the privilege to work with a lot of professional athletes, so not just in aesthetics and image, but more so in boxing, MMA, athletics, cycling, endurance sports. And a lot of the nutritional advice that I've given, a lot of it's from research, trial and error, and in the past it was more about guesswork. But I've just teamed up with a company called Muhdo. As you can see, just had my package through, and basically what Muhdo do is DNA testing. So this kit here is the genetic collection kit. So in this, I get to take a sample. It's saliva based, so not the use of blood. I send the sample off to one of their labs. They then design a genetic report. They view the profile, and they allow me to use the profile on a dashboard on an app, and also there's a possibility of ongoing support as well. So if you want one of these and you want to save some money, if you want to save I think it's about £40 off. Just use the word gymbeing on muhdo.com, and you can basically get your own report. So I meet a lot of bodybuilders, hardcore fitness enthusiasts, guys in their 30s, 40s who suffer with low energy. I meet a lot of guys who worry about testosterone levels as well. And in a nutshell, I just think this is a great company to team up with. And I don't push many other products or brands for the main reason that being in the fitness industry for the last 2 decades, being into sport for almost 3 decades, I've seen all the gimmicks, I've seen the brands come and go, I've seen the new gyms start and close, I've seen it all. And I am a firm believer that if you know what you're deficient in, if you know where you're struggling in terms of energy and recovery, then you're onto a winner. So athletes, they use nutrition for 2 main reasons. One is for energy and one is for recovery. So if you haven't got the right energy input, if you haven't got the energy for your sport, may it be endurance, may it be a power sport, maybe an explosive sport, but then equally if your recovery is not right, you're not going to get the repair and it's going to be a downward spiral. But also the difference between winning and losing, quite often not, is just that fraction percentage. So I am familiar that Eddie Hall has worked with them. I met Eddie back in September, nice guy, world's strongest man. I'm very familiar with the fact that there's a lot of other top professional athletes working with Muhdo. So, like I say, if you want a discount, £40 discount, use the word gymbeing when it comes to the purchase, and you'll get a nice little discount. And in this pack, you get your test kit. So obviously saliva in there, and also you get an info pack as well, which is allowing you to download the app, and obviously your data will go into that. And obviously there's an instructional kit as well on how to use the kit effectively, how to send it off properly. So rather than guessing what you're deficient in, rather than doing what I did and spend 2 decades learning the hard way, I've probably spent over £100,000 on easily on education, on sporting activities, national martial art championships when I was younger, doing the likes of bodybuilding competitions. I mean, my last prep I spent over £8,000, and it was crazy. So nutrition, training, I had a few people helping me with training, but also supplements, travel costs, entry fees. Sport's not cheap, so I believe you can get one of these with the discount for about £80. So make sure to use the code gymbeing to save you £40 discount. Check it out. It's spelled muhdo.com. Make sure to check these guys out. Really good team supporting you, and you can't go wrong. And that's my kit. So I'll be doing another video soon, talking through the experience, talking through the app, how I've got on, what I'm deficient in, and be as open as possible on how I need to improve my own health as well. And obviously your health requirements change as you get older. Your brain chemistry changes every decade. Your body evolves and changes. I find it easier now to retain body fat, but equally I find it easy now to build muscle. In my 30s, my body's completely different to how I once was in my early 20s. And when I get to my 40s, I've recognised that my testosterone levels are going to drop and things are going to get a bit harder for recovery, etc. So it doesn't matter whether you're in professional sports and you're a teenager, if you're an athlete at 20 or you're wanting to lose weight and you're stuck in a conventional office job at the age of 40, I do recommend this company. So again, gymbeing, Muhdo.com, check them out. Get your £40 discount by using that code, and you're laughing. We will be selling the packs in store at the shop as well, with a bit of information on what it's all about. And like I say, you can listen to every doctorate online, you can listen to every Google report and dietitian, but actually having a company to check your DNA and tell you what you're deficient to, what you're deficient in, what you're allergic to, what your body requires more of, it's a no-brainer. And I know some people and weekend millionaires who quite happily spend more than this on a round of drinks. So if you value your health, get it sorted. So Muhdo.com, check it out and use the quote gymbeing for your discount. Have a great day and thank you for watching.